Hi YouTube, it's Dirty Dems, aka the best looking ugly kid, and today I'm painting a gorilla in somebody's bedroom. And the gorilla is going to be bending the bar, weights lifting bar, and I'm going to have foliage, so bamboo behind it and some leaves in the foreground. And then I'm also going to paint a boxing glove on this wall, and on here a martial arts MMA fighter in multicolours. So lots to do today. I'm going to try and set up my time lapse if possible and film the gorilla. Okay, so I've got some bamboo in the background. I've used some Bolonza dark green, and I've used Serrano and Foggia for the bamboo, and I think it is La Spezia to do highlights on the bamboo. So we've got these little bits in here just highlighting the edges, the knots in the bamboo. So we've got the background in first, and now I'm going to start working on the foreground, the gorilla. Once I've got the gorilla done, I'm going to add the foliage at the bottom, at the base, so maybe some leaves down here at the bottom, and then finally finish off with the weights. I'm very lucky doing this job. I've just had the client bring me some lunch, so we've had McDonald's, so thank you for the McDonald's. I had a chicken burger, a grand Big Mac, fries and a large Coke, so that went down really well. And you can see the face is coming along behind me on the gorilla, just shading it in. It's important to get the face right, and then the rest of it, the fur stuff, can just sort of be generic fur. We need to get that face looking like a gorilla's face, looking real mean and bending that bar, so it's going to look awesome when it's finished. So thank you, cheers for the lunch. Now let's get back to work. So I'm getting there on the gorilla, pretty much finished. I'm just going to add some foliage at the bottom, some jungle leaves at the bottom, just to make him look like he's popping out of the bushes. Right, so I finished the gorilla, done the foliage at the bottom, and now on this wall I'm going to do some boxing gloves. So I'm going to do them hanging from the top, some red boxing gloves, and then I've just got one more piece to do after that. I've done the boxing gloves. Just realised that the actual emulsion paint on the wall is grey and not white, so I've tried to cut that with white. So I'm going to let that dry, and now I've got the correct grey. I'll just neaten it up once that's dry with grey. And now I'm going to start the kickboxer on this wall here. Right, so ready for the third instalment. This is going to be like a taekwondo martial artist doing a kick, and I've got the outline on it. It's going to be multicolored, so it's going to be quite abstract, lots of splats, dots of paint everywhere. But this is the shape, the silhouette of the martial artist, and then I'm just going to build up the colours. So the design that I'm sort of roughly referencing is here, and I'm going to attempt to try and recreate that, but I can be more creative, so I don't have to stick to the exact colours. I can mix it up, but that's the sort of look I'm going to be going for. Okay, YouTube, we've got to the end of the video. If you've enjoyed it, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. Peace.